welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Ninja Foodi Chicken Noodle Soup. This is just a 3-ingredient recipe. It's very simple to do. I've showed you how to make the chicken stock before. You just put that into the Ninja Foodi, put it onto the sear function until that dissolves, and then we're just getting some pad thai rice noodles here. So this is totally gluten-free with a couple of drops of toasted sesame oil. Now that's very good if you're feeling a little under the weather, if you've maybe had a big night out or you're just a bit sick of a bit too much rich food and you want to just eat something a little bit light and healthy. It's also great as an accompaniment to your main meal as a starter. So we just put this onto the saute function till that comes to the boil, and then we're going to add our noodles, a splash of our sesame oil, and it'll be ready to serve once those noodles have softened. Okay, now this is a clear broth, and you can use this if you're on a colonoscopy prep diet. Just strain out any impurities. A couple of drops of toasted sesame oil, adding in our rice noodles. Okay, and we're just going to put the lid on that and cook it for 1 minute. Close the vent, pressure, 1 minute. It'll come to pressure, the rice noodles will absorb all of that liquid and soften, and it'll be ready to serve. If you're not following any specific diet, I'm going to add just a couple of spring onions for garnish, but you don't need to do that. Okay, after 1 minute, we are just going to force release the steam, switch the foodie off, and it is ready to serve. Now, don't cook your noodles too much because you'll end up with them going really broken up and mushy. You still want to have a little bit of bite there. Just fetch your noodles out into your bowl. Top it with some broth. And there you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking's Chicken Noodle Soup. It's gluten-free, it's gelatinous, it's made using homemade chicken stock and a couple of drops of sesame oil. Thanks for watching. Just a sprinkle of some spring onions on the top, and that is ready to serve. So packed with flavour. You've got your little noodles in there, little pieces of chicken left over from our sticky chicken wings. I showed you that in a different video. Make sure you give that a try, it's delicious. Thanks for watching.